Hi everyone! We girls look beautiful even without makeup, and I personally do not mind coming on camera barefaced. To cheer ourselves up and add more confidence, we don't really need layers of makeup. So today, I'm gonna tell you minimum number of products and accessories to look more presentable. Starting off with nail paint because you got to wiggle those fingers. Moving on to face, here you can see me applying Revlon Color Stay Foundation, which is more for oily and combination skin. In the shade Sand Beige, it has also got SPF 15 in it. Alternatively, you can also use BB or CC cream. Next step is to set that base. I'm using Sugar Loose Powder in the shade 15 Cappuccino. You can use compact instead if you have got dry or combination skin type. Next, I'm defining my brows with Sugar Brow Definer. But if you have got naturally well-shaped brows, you can totally skip this step. Now, to skip kajal and to create illusion of bigger eyes, put your eyeliner on just half of your upper lash line along with mascara. Now here comes my favorite product, blush. I'm using Benetint by Benefit. You can use any pink lipstick of yours to achieve the naturally blushed look. On my lips, I'm using Victoria's Secret's Velvet Matte range in the shade Wanted. To amp up my overall look, I'm adding these simple yet classy earrings. And with watch on my wrist, we have reached our last step. Thank you so much for watching this video. This time, I thought to record behind the scenes of getting ready for my YouTube videos. Please tell me in the comment section if you would like to watch more such videos on this channel. Also, please subscribe to my channel to keep me motivated and get going because sometimes I really need it.